Are you spending hours on Instagram and still not getting the bookings you want? In this video, I'm going to reveal the most time-consuming pieces of work with the lowest return and show you the content system that actually fills your calendar using one content day and a few handy repurposing tricks. But first, if you've ever said to yourself, I know I should be doing more marketing, but I don't know where to start, or if you're doing loads but getting no results, then you need to check out the free Boostly workshop. It's linked in the description below and we'll show you the exact content strategy in much more depth than what we will get into in this video. Okay, so let's talk about the problem that most hosts don't see coming. You start off thinking you need to get thousands of views on social media. So you open Instagram on your phone, you post a few pictures, a few reels of your property, and before you know it, an hour is gone. Maybe two. And what have you actually got for it? A couple of likes and a few comments. This is pointless marketing, and most hosts are stuck doing it without even realizing. Marketing isn't about being everywhere or doing everything. It's about creating the right content for the right potential guest in the right place and doing it in a way that actually works for your schedule and not against it. So here's the way we teach our hosts as part of Boostly to simplify their content and still get more bookings. It all starts with what we call a very simple content day. A content day is exactly what it sounds like. You set aside one day per month and you create the bulk of your content for the next few weeks all in one go. Because switching tasks constantly, writing a post here, filming a reel there, kills your momentum. But when you can focus and batch it, it becomes 10 times easier. And if you're thinking, I don't have the time for that, you are wrong. Because every minute you spend doing random marketing, posting things that don't convert, or chasing trends that don't bring in bookings is throwing both time and money down the drain. The hosts who win aren't actually doing more than you. They have a simple system, and it all starts with planning their content around their ideal guest. They speak directly to the person that they want to attract. And here's the most important part. They always lead to a booking action. Every piece of content, whether it's a post or an email, all points back to their direct booking site or to a lead magnet or to an offer. It's not just posting content for content's sake. It's content that sells gently, helpfully, and consistently. Now inside Boostly, we give you all the tools and templates you need to make this easy. You get content calendars, caption formulas, email templates, even AI prompts that you can write social posts for that are based for you and your business and your voice. And move on with your life while your content does the heavy lifting in the background. Because generally that's the goal, right? More bookings, less faff, more time for guests, or better yet, more time for yourself. So if you've been stuck in that content hamster wheel, this is your invitation to step off. You don't need to do more. You need to do what works. And that starts with joining this Boostly workshop that I told you about. The link is in the description. And in that session, we'll walk you through the full Boostly content system. You'll get real examples, a clear plan, and your first content idea is already written and ready to go. And if this video has helped take the pressure off your marketing, I've got another one that will save you even more time and money. Click on this button here. It'll take you to the video that's called the top 5 website mistakes Airbnb hosts make. And most importantly, how to fix them. So click through, watch that one, and let's keep building your business with a smarter way. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.